Did you know brake paste plays a crucial role in keeping your brakes quiet and efficient? Brake paste is a special lubricant applied to the back of brake pads and contact points, not on the friction surface. Its main purpose is to prevent squeaking, reduce vibration, and protect metal parts from corrosion. It helps ensure smoother braking and extends the life of your brake components. Always apply it during brake pad replacement. Like, share, and follow for more car maintenance tips.